going on, guys? It's Matthew here with Gadget University, and I wanted to show you guys the Firefox browser for the Motorola Zoom. You do have an option of the stock Android browser built in to the Honeycomb OS. It's very nice. It's probably one of the better tablet browsing experiences out on the web. It's very similar to Google Chrome, so if you've ever used that, it's pretty much exactly like it. You have a most visited homepage and tabbed view, private browsing, things like that. But it's a little slow sometimes, and really because I think it's because it supports Flash. But the Mozilla browser is incredibly fast. Multi-touch is extremely responsive. You have nice little options like you can slide to the right and add a tab. Let's see, turn off the mobile theme. You just see things just load just incredibly fast. You can slide to the right, you can add it as your home page, you can go back, you can go forward, you can access the settings. Now in the settings you can actually sync this with a Firefox browser that's on a desktop computer. So in result you will have like an option to sync the tabs. So if you have a couple pages opened up on your desktop, you can actually sync them with your computer. And this is how you would do it. You would actually click on add a new tab, you click on desktop, and here's where it gives you the key that you type into your computer that will then sync these two together. So no matter where you are, you just pull this browser up and you'll see tabs that are actually from your computer. That's really cool. It's kind of like Google's Chrome to phone feature, except this works a little bit better in the sense of you just leave things open and then you can pull them from your phone, rather than on rather than on the Chrome to phone where you're just sending a link to your phone. I think this is probably one of the coolest things about the browser. Overall, like I said, overall things load very quick. The images load very fast. One thing I like also is that while things are loading, you can still scroll through the page. On a lot of browsers, on not just this, but iPad and iPhone, you run into issues where you can't do anything until this is actually fully loaded. But on here you can. You can actually pull things up and go to different pages. And I noticed, like for example, let's say you touch a link and you want to go somewhere else. This actually allows you to click on another link very quick, and it'll overwrite and cancel that previous command to go to a link. Let's see if I can show you here. There you go. See, it still came up. And that's pretty cool because you do that whole, especially if you're on a data plan and you don't want to waste money or you waste data. This allows you to actually just kind of cancel out on a lot of stuff. Let's see, what else can I show you guys with this? You can do a lot of add-ons, so you can add on, like there's different Twitter add-ons. Allows you to search through Twitter. You can add on Hootsuite has a Hoot bar. Add to Firefox. Home skin, use any home page as your background. This works just like the Mozilla Firefox browser that's on the desktop. So let me go ahead and restart it. When you go to a web page, you can actually touch in the top left, and you have an option where you can actually search within the page, share the page, save as a PDF, and you can set shortcut for home button. Let me try that. What does that do? What that does is it adds this web page as a part of my home page button. So if you see here down on the bottom left, When I touch this, I'm going to give it an option to choose google.com or gadgetu.net. Now that's pretty. Alright, so here's Firefox on a phone, and you see this is it. When you first come into the home page, you're still given the same option like you are on the Zoom, where you can actually pull tabs from computer. I think this is probably one of the coolest things, like I said. Let's go to GadgetU. See, things come up pretty quick. Let's go to the non-mobile page. And just notice how quick things pull up for, a mobile device. That was like instant. You have different options within the browser itself. You can add on things. You can, of course, tweak it to how you like it. You can actually set it up to automatically go to the non-mobile page if you wanted to. You can, of course, clear your private data and all the other special stuff. Let's go to the site options here. You can actually search in the page. You can save the page as a PDF. You can share the page. Let's click on share, and you see it brings you up with all the options that you normally would see. So let's go to Twitter, and it's asking me to sign in. But yeah, this is like probably one of the better browsers. I put it up there. I like it more than the stock browser. The only thing I don't like is the fact that it does not have Flash, and I'm pretty sure they're working on that right now. But y'all let me know what you think in the comments, and try it out for yourself, and let me know what you think. Y'all take care. See you in my next video. Peace.